We were formed by an engineer. Everything about that DNA in our blood informs our decisions about what products we represent and where we position ourselves within our market.
Our core business is the AEC industry, architects, engineers, construction, mostly what we were founded on. But we work with schools, we work with churches, nonprofits, and from there have developed and extended our services throughout the years to handle print services, signs and graphics, promotional materials. We started in York, Pennsylvania, so we cover across the state. We actually have customers all the way into New York, down into the Virginia area. We even have customers into Connecticut.
We cover down into Delaware and West Virginia and parts of Ohio.
We've actually considered getting involved in small format or narrow format printing for years and have looked into many different manufacturers, but through business relationships, we ended up being introduced to Epson. And we were very impressed. Once we heard what Epson was doing, it fit right into what we do. It's new, it's different, and we were excited to be able to take that on. Obviously, the Workforce Enterprise that's our key. That's the product that we're really looking to sell, as well as the 869R has been a really popular product for us.
We've seen and come to understand how disruptive ink was to the wide format technology, and then when we witnessed the Epson technology, it blew us away. It really seemed like the right fit at the right time because of the speed and the color and the technology that the ink comes out dry, and it just made sense to us intuitively and from a business perspective.
To see now that the cost of color is coming down, it's becoming affordable, of course people want to print in color if they have that option and can justify the cost. From a productivity standpoint, it can't be beat. To have a product that now does color quickly, cost effectively, and with very little maintenance. And I think that was a big piece for us as well. What I can tell you is the ones that we have in the field, the customers are extremely happy. They are loving that they don't have the warm-up time. They're loving the product that the machine puts out. The color is great, and we haven't had any service calls. For years, we've had great relationships with our customer base, and they've asked us for the ability to bundle in those small format services. Everybody has a small format machine. So for us, this was just an exciting opportunity to continue to support our current customers, but to grow our business into those new verticals as well.
They've seen how in the wide format world, ink has been a disruptive game changer, and they understand that process. So when we just announced that we were now in this with the narrow format world with Epson, it made sense to them. They were excited about it. They were enthusiastic and they wanted to jump on board as well. Having
a partner that we can count on, it's unmatched. I mean, that has definitely really made a huge impact for us and made it a very easy decision to partner with Epson. Our future, it's to stay ahead of technology curve, and jumping into this is the latest and greatest in small format. So we're excited to be part of that, and we'll just see where we go from there.
The future is bright, and it's colorful because it's ink and it's dry. It's great.